Hi, I am Dr. Gaurang Shah, urologist, head of the department, Saifi Hospital. First of all, I like to thank Al Badr channel for giving me this opportunity. As a urologist, we treat patients with the kidney, ureter, bladder and the prostate problem. Now let us come to the organs in our body. As far as the urology is concerned, we have got two kidneys, above that we have got two adrenals. These two kidneys, it is making urine. This urine flows down by these two tubes. They are called ureter. The urine will get accumulated in the bladder and it comes out through urethra. Now in male, at the junction of bladder and urethra, there is a prostate gland. So as a urologist, I treat all the patients who have got kidney, ureter and bladder stones, those who have got enlargement of the prostate and it is causing problem in passing urine, cancer anywhere in urinary system and transplant. Apart from that, as an andrologist, we also treat patients who have got infertility, that is male infertility, and sexual erectile dysfunction. So now let us talk about different disease and their management. In short, the stones can be in the kidney, in ureter or in the bladder. Nowadays, we don't make big cuts on our body or on the patient's body. If there is a big stone in the kidney, we make hole from the skin up to the kidney and we remove those stones. It is called percutaneous nephrolithotomy. If there are small stones in the kidney or there are stones in ureter, we remove them by passing ureteroscope or a very small scope from the normal orifice, that is from the urethra, which enters inside the ureter, and with a laser we remove those stones. Same way, we can go into the kidney and without making any hole in the kidney, we can remove those stones. As far as the prostate is concerned, the prostate enlargement can be because of benign or it can be because of cancer. If it is a benign enlargement of the prostate, nowadays there is a medical treatment for that, and almost out of 100, 70% of patients, they are treated with a medical line of treatment. But those patients who do not respond to medical line of treatment, they require surgery. And as far as the surgery is concerned, again, the science has advanced, medical science has advanced so much that we don't make big cut like in past. We pass telescope through a normal orifice. We go inside and we scrape prostate tissue which is enlarged, and we make passage big so that patient can pass urine very easily. If there is a cancer of the prostate and it is operable, again we don't make big cuts. We have got robot. So with help of robotic surgery, we make small holes on the abdomen and through that we remove the prostate gland. Apart from that, we are doing kidney transplants. So we get a patient whose both the kidneys have failed, and as far as the transplant is concerned, we do cadaveric transplant and live related donor transplant. Now what is cadaveric transplant? If any patient has a head injury or has a brain death, we can take his organs and we can transplant them in a diseased person's body. So we take kidney from the dead brain dead patient and we transplant it into the patient who has got both the kidney failed. This is called cadaveric transplant. live related donor transplant means any family member can give kidney to his relative. We take one kidney from the normal person and we transplant it into the recipient. Now the recipient, we don't remove both the kidney or either of the kidney. His both kidneys are remaining in his body. But this third kidney, we put it into the right iliac fossa. So now, most of the time, the kidney failure person after transplant will have 3 kidneys in his body. Apart from that, we are also dealing with patients who have got infertility. Infertility means they are not having children. So in this department we treat male patients suffering from infertility. We do varicocele surgery for the management of oligospermia, that is when the semen count is showing that the sperms are less, and we also do testicular biopsies. Apart from that, we also deal with sexual erectile dysfunction, and we are doing implants, that is penile implants. So in this hospital, under auspices of Sayyadna, we are treating almost all the diseases related to urology and andrology. So andrology also include adrenal glands. So with the help of robotic surgery, we are able to do even adrenal surgeries. So Saifi Hospital is a prime institute in India. They have got the latest technology, and we are blessed with Sayyadna's blessing that we are able to treat our patients and make them happy. Thank you.